Have you ever dreamed of visiting Amsterdam, the picturesque capital of the Netherlands? This city is a tapestry of rich history, captivating art, and enchanting canals. It's a place where iconic windmills spin stories of the past, tulips bloom in a riot of colors, and wooden shoes echo the rhythm of a unique culture. But Amsterdam is not just about these symbols. It's a vibrant, living city waiting to be explored. Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a virtual tour that will make you want to pack your bags right away. Amsterdam is an art lover's paradise, home to world-class museums like the Van Gogh Museum and the Rijksmuseum. Imagine standing in front of Van Gogh's The Starry Night, up close and personal with the swirling, vibrant blues and yellows. The Van Gogh Museum is a treasure trove of over 200 paintings and 500 drawings by the iconic artist, offering an intimate encounter with his life and works. Now let's take a leap back in time to the Dutch Golden Age at the Rijksmuseum. Here you'll find masterpieces by Rembrandt, Vermeer and other Dutch masters. The museum houses a collection of over 1 million objects, from Delftware to dollhouses spanning 800 years of history. But the charm of Amsterdam lies not just within the confines of its museums. It's woven into the very fabric of the city itself. The Canal Ring, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a testament to the city's innovative spirit. These 17th century canals, with their picturesque houses and arched bridges, are best explored on a leisurely boat ride. Then there's the Anne Frank House, a poignant reminder of the city's past. The annex where Anne and her family hid during World War II is now a museum, preserving their story for generations to come. Walking through the secret door behind the bookcase and into the cramped rooms, you'll feel a deep connection to history that's both humbling and enlightening. But Amsterdam is not just about history and art, it's also a city that knows how to have fun. From the bustling Albert Kuip market to the lively Leidseplein, Amsterdam is full of vibrant spots where you can soak up local culture and cuisine. Imagine yourself meandering through the market, the air filled with the aroma of fresh stroopwafels and rookworst. Don't forget to try the Dutch cheese. It's a must-taste experience that you'll remember for a lifetime. Fancy shopping? Amsterdam's flower market is a riot of color, where you can pick up a bouquet of tulips that are as Dutch as windmills and wooden shoes. And speaking of shoes, you might want to swap them for a bike. Yes, Amsterdam is a city best explored on two wheels. Feel the breeze in your hair as you glide along the city's famous canals, catching glimpses of architectural wonders. Perhaps wrap up your day with a captivating performance at a local theatre. With its perfect blend of history, culture and fun, Amsterdam is a city that has something for every traveller. So, are you ready to start your Amsterdam adventure? We've journeyed through the hidden gems and vibrant energy of this captivating city, from its historic treasures to its pulsating nightlife. Now it's your turn to experience the magic of Amsterdam, to feel the rhythm of its streets, and to immerse yourself in its unique charm. Check the video description for a link to some great travel deals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment. We read every comment. Happy travels!